miss you in.
But dear respected Islamic brothers and the viewers of Madani Channel, there are countless blessings and rewards for sending Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's been mentioned that the one who recites Durood Sharif once upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that person gets 10 good deeds, his 10 sins are forgiven, and his rank is elevated by 10 times. Subhanallah. Just think to yourself, how long does it take to recite Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Second, but if you recite Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once, you get 10 good deeds, your 10 sins are forgiven, and your rank is elevated by 10 times. So my dear respected Islamic brothers and the viewers of Madani Channel, we should try to recite Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in abundance. Make one intention that every day, inshallah, we will recite Durood Sharif at least 313 times upon the best of creation sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.